The remarkable advancements in artificial intelligence continue to redefine the boundaries of possibility. At the forefront of this evolution is DeepSeek V3, a groundbreaking large language model developed by the Chinese AI powerhouse DeepSeek. Launched in December 2024, DeepSeek V3 represents a significant leap in open source AI, setting a new benchmark for what language models can achieve. This video delves deeply into the strategic significance, technical innovations, and transformative potential of DeepSeek V3. We will explore its architecture, performance metrics, real-world applications, and its broader implications for developers, researchers, enterprises, problem solvers, and the future of AI democratization. So DeepSeek V3 is a state-of-the-art LLM with an unprecedented scale of about 670 billion parameters, placing it amongst the largest AI models available today. At the core of its design is the mixture of experts architecture, an advanced framework that selectively activates subsets of neurons based on input data, enabling optimized computation and improved performance. This architecture allows DeepSeek V3 to maintain exceptional processing power while minimizing computation overload. With 37 billion parameters activated per token, the model excels at producing highly accurate, contextually nuanced outputs across a variety of use cases, from language comprehension and text generation to complex reasoning and real-time problem solving. DeepSeek V3 represents a pivotal shift in which how language models can balance size and efficiency. By implementing a dynamic expert selection mechanism, the model aligns computational intensity with the complexity of each query, ensuring precision without compromising on the speed for the problem being solved. The model's unique architecture underpins its superior performance. By leveraging the MOE framework, DeepSeek V3 demonstrates a level of flexibility and efficiency that traditional LLMs struggle to match. Let's look at the key architectural features. The first is the Multi-Head Latent Attention (MLA). This feature enhances the model's ability to capture long-range dependencies in text, significantly improving outcomes in tasks such as summarization, complex question answering, and conversational AI. The MLA enables the model to maintain coherence even in extended dialogues or document-level tasks. The second key feature is DeepSeek MOE design. So DeepSeek's proprietary MOE implementation optimizes the activation process, reducing redundancy and enabling faster inference with higher throughput. The design selectively engages specialized neural clusters, creating a more adaptive and responsive comprehensive architecture. So these architectural choices make DeepSeek V3 not only a powerhouse in terms of size, but also an example of how strategic design can mitigate the common pitfalls of large-scale models, such as latency and computational expense. So let's look at the training journey from scale to precision. So training an LLM of this magnitude is a formidable challenge. So DeepSeek V3 was trained on a massive dataset comprising of around 15 trillion tokens, one of the largest ever created. This dataset included multilingual corpora, domain-specific text, scientific language, scientific literature, and a range of real-world conversational data to ensure that the comprehensive knowledge coverage is taken care of. The training process spanned about 55 days and incurred a computational cost of around $6 million, requiring a distributed infrastructure of high-performance GPUs and TPUs. These investments reflect DeepSeek's commitment to creating a model that not only rivals of the big giants but surpasses many of the counterparts who are into proprietary models. Despite its immense size, DeepSeek V3 is highly efficient thanks to its strategic use of MOE, which ensures that only the most relevant experts are engaged during computation. The precision translates to low energy consumption during inference while delivering exceptional results. In terms of the performance benchmark, let's have a look. So DeepSeek V3 has undergone extensive benchmarking across key natural language processing NLP tasks, and its performance stands out in several critical areas. Let's look at a few of them. The first is text generation. So the model will generate text which is coherent in nature and contextually relevant across diverse topics, showing its ability to adapt to varying prompts with ease. Question and answering. So DeepSeek V3 excels at parsing and responding to complex multi-part questions with remarkable clarity and precision. Whether dealing with factual queries or hypothetical scenarios, the model's contextual accuracy is unmatched. Let's look at text summarization. So it produces concise and informative summaries of lengthy documents, making it invaluable for information-heavy domains such as legal, academic, and research sectors. When it comes to translation, the model supports has multi-language capabilities, delivering accurate translations across multiple languages and preserving the nuances of original text. Sentiment analysis. So beyond traditional language tasks, DeepSeek can assess sentiments and infer usage intent, making it as a valuable asset for social media monitoring, customer feedback analysis, and content moderation. Now let's look at some real-world applications across industries. Let's start with healthcare. So the model's ability to process and understand complex medical texts can assist in drug discovery, generative personalized treatment recommendations, and streamline clinical research by analyzing vast datasets of patients' information and scientific studies. E-commerce. By powering enhanced recommendation systems, customer support chatbots, and personalized shopping experiences, DeepSeek V3 can drive user engagement, improve conversation rates, and provide personalized user journeys. Let's look at education. Its language processing capabilities make it an ideal tool for AI-powered tutors, language learning apps, and content generation for educational platforms. Adaptive learning modules can tailor content based on individual progress. Let's look at an example of legal services. So legal professionals can leverage DeepSeek V3 for contract analysis, legal summaries, and automation of routine legal documentation. It can also assist in precedent research by identifying case laws relevant to ongoing cases. Finally, creative arts. Content creators, marketers, and writers can use DeepSeek V3 from brainstorming, storytelling, and generative creative content, offering inspiration and first drafts for articles, scripts, and campaigns. What about the open source advantage? Because effectively leads to the democratization of AI innovation. So one of the defining features of DeepSeek V3 is its open source availability. Unlike proprietary models that restrict access and charge steep licensing fees, DeepSeek V3 empowers developers, researchers, and startups to integrate and customize the model for various specific uses. This fosters a collaborative ecosystem where improvements and innovations can flourish. DeepSeek V3 is accessible through DeepSeek's official website and API platform, providing seamless integration options for various applications. The API offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies interaction with the model's full range of capabilities. Additionally, its open source nature has already led to community-driven enhancements, including domain-specific fine-tuned models. Now let's do a comparative analysis of DeepSeek V3 versus the industrial giants. So in the highly competitive LLM landscape, DeepSeek V3 stands out by offering a few distinct advantages. The first is scale and sophistication. So with 671 billion parameters, it surpasses many open source counterparts and rivals proprietary models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Palm. The second advantage is cost effectiveness. The MOE architecture ensures efficient computation, reducing the costs associated with model inferences and deployments. The third is performance. DeepSeek V3 consistently outperforms on key NLP tasks, narrowing the gap between open source and proprietary AI solutions. The fourth is community contribution. Unlike closed systems, DeepSeek V3 benefits from the open source contribution and enhances its performance, versatility, and resilience. So what are the strategic implications and how is it going to shape the future? So the release of DeepSeek V3 signals a pivotal moment in the democratization of advanced AI technologies. By making a highly capable LLM open source, DeepSeek is fostering innovation and reducing the barriers to entry for researchers, startups, enterprises, and anyone interested in this whole AI space. In an era where access to cutting-edge AI tools often becomes very expensive and incurs significant costs and restrictions, DeepSeek V3 offers an alternative that champions collaboration and transparency. This model exemplifies how open source AI can level the playing field and unlock new capabilities and opportunities across different industries. Moreover, DeepSeek V3's release could influence policy decisions around AI accessibility and governance, illustrating the potential for responsible innovation through open source collaboration. So in conclusion, let's try to understand that how DeepSeek V3 can actually unlock new horizons for all of us. So DeepSeek V3 is more than just a large language model. It's a testament to what is possible when advanced design meets open source principles. With its exceptional scale, innovative architecture, and impressive performance, DeepSeek V3 is set to define how language models are built and utilized. For developers, researchers, startups, and enterprises looking to harness the power of AI, DeepSeek V3 represents a powerful, accessible tool that can catalyze innovation, empower breakthroughs across different kinds of fields. So, as AI continues to evolve, models like DeepSeek V3 pave the way for a future where cutting edge technology is not confined to a select few but is accessible to all. Whether you're holding or whether you're building next generation application, enhancing customer experiences, or pushing the boundaries of academic research, DeepSeek V3 is a model that demands attention and exploration. So the open source revolution has just begun, and DeepSeek V3 stands out at the forefront of this exciting journey, reshaping the landscape of artificial intelligence.